Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and because our spare room is small and we have some big furniture around the window, we really wanted a window covering that would be straightforward and keep a low profile. This Tinfon blind window shade definitely fits the bill. The installation of this window shade was very fast and super uncomplicated. I was so happy to see that it comes in such a wide variety of measurements, so we were able to find the perfect one to fit the size and style of our window. We have found the rolling function to be very smooth and without a hitch. When it comes to decor, I really tend to lean towards simple, minimal styling, and this window shade really complements what I love. It does its job really well. It is so effective at blocking out unwanted light, and it also provides privacy for our guests. We really noticed that our spare guest bedroom gets a lot of mid-afternoon sun, which is bad news if you want to have a nap in there. That problem is completely solved with the installation of this window shade. Because it's so great at blocking the light, it also helps to reduce the heat that builds up in this room too. This window shade does its job perfectly. It is exactly what we needed. We're so happy with it. And that's my point of view.